everybody. Good morning, friends. How are you? I am also well by the grace of Almighty. Have you any problem?
No problem.
Have you any question?
No question.
Are we ready to read?
Yes, I am ready to read.
Can we go to our main session?
Yes, we can go to main session.
We must obey our teacher, friends, and elders.
Yes,
We should keep clean the classroom.
yes, we clean the classroom.
And we will wear clean clothes every day.
Yes, every day.
Now we will go to our main session.
Yes.
And one more thing. In the going way, if we see our teacher or our elders, we will greet them.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Raisa. Well done.
Well done.
Now we will go to our